in Tamil Nadu outside Chennai, and new Bullet 350 is just rolling out of the assembly line. Let's take a look at the colors that are available on the new Bullet. Now, if you see here, this is the base variant which is available in two colors. That's military black, and the one in red that's called military red. This bike is priced at 1,73,000 ex-showroom. Main difference is the color, but of course the base variant you only get front disc brake, and at the rear you get a drum brake. So that's the military red and that's the military black. That's the base variant priced at 1,73,000 ex-showroom. On the mid variant you get standard black, which is what you've been used to seeing the Bullet, same pinstriping, similar thing, but of course this is the UCA Classic. This is not the J series, I think, or is it the J series? Yes, this is the J series, and this is the standard black, and this is the base, the mid variant. Sorry, this is the mid variant is priced at 1,97,000 ex-showroom. Now this mid variant is available in two colors, the standard black, the one that you see here, and the standard maroon. It's an all new color, a quite nice looking color. The difference between the mid variant and the base variant are the colors, of course, and the badging on the tank. This one gets a normal kind of badging, whereas this one gets the classic Bullet badging. And there's one more difference, which is the mid variant in standard black and standard maroon gets disc brakes at the rear with dual channel ABS. So that's the lineup of the new Royal Enfield Bullet 350, and it's available in 5 colors: military black, military red, standard maroon, standard black, and this one is again a new color. It's called the black gold. It's the top spec variant. It's priced at 2,15,000 ex-showroom. This one and the standard variant more or less same. It also gets dual channel ABS with a rear disc brake, and got a new matte finish black, nice looking matte black color, and the pinstripes are of a different color compared to the classic gold on the mid spec variant. Let us know what you think about the new Bullet 350, which color you would pick if you were to buy the new Bullet 350. Now in terms of mechanicals, it's more or less similar to the classic 350, the new generation classic 350, which is already on sale. So it gets the same J series engine and the same dual pedal frame, but the difference from the classic is the handlebar. The handlebar is different, and of course the seat is different, and you get a rear grab rail which is different. The rear mudguard design is different from the classic, and the rear tail lamp, which is also different from the classic 350. So those are the colors of the new. This is the standard black, standard maroon, or top spec clubs comes in black gold. That's the most expensive at 2,15,000 ex-showroom. That's the mid spec 1,97,000 rupees ex-showroom for these two, standard black and standard maroon. And the base variant, which you don't get a rear disc brake, you get a rear drum brake in military red and military black at 1,73,000 ex-showroom. We'll be riding this bike very soon, so look out for a review of what I think. In terms of performance, not much change is expected from the classic 350, but of course the ergonomics, with the seat being different and the handlebar being different, it should feel a little different from what we're used to in the classic 350. Bikes that are rolling out from the assembly line, you can see in the background, and bookings are already open, and this will start retailing from September 3rd, 2023. That's this Sunday, September 3rd, 2023. So those are the 5 colors: standard black, standard maroon, black gold, military red and military black. Let us know in the comments which color would you pick and which one do you think is attractive to you. For me, this maroon color looks quite nice, and of course you can't go wrong with the classic black, the standard black. So those are the 5 colors. Let us know which one will be your pick amongst this 5 new colors on the new Bullet 350. And thank you for watching. If you ride a bike, please wear a helmet, be safe and strap it on.